And right now it's time to switch gears and check in with meteorologist Karen Williams for a look at our forecast. Karen, it's definitely feeling more fall as the days go on.
Well, Tamara, I can tell you right now we'll get one more day of temperatures in the 80s before it will really feel like autumn. We'll time it out after the break. As we look at our satellite and radar for now, it's not a whole lot of activity. It's actually dry outside with clear skies. Earlier today, we had that stubborn cloud deck that would not give way. And then eventually this evening, things started to clear off quite nicely. So again, I think for your Sunday, we'll eke out another day at least of some sunshine with temperatures feeling like in the mid-80s before we have a drastic change. Now looking at the radar and clouds again, you can see some of those clouds, but eventually things have basically cleared off for the rest of the evening and into your Sunday. Now looking at that backyard forecast, 7 a.m. we'll have a combination in some areas, patchy fog in some areas, 64 degrees. Noon we should have mostly sunny skies, 83 degrees, and then by 7 p.m. we'll have a combination of clouds, and just about the sun is about to go down because now the days are getting shorter, 76 degrees. Now our low temperatures for tonight will be pretty comfortable in the low to mid 60s. We're looking at Charleston at 64 degrees, Grenada is 63, Carrollton 64, Chula is 65, Yazoo City at 66, and Lake Village at 64 degrees. High temperatures tomorrow will be in the mid 80s for 85 for Cleveland, 85 for Hollandale. Now, as we look a little bit further, we're going to put our future tracker into motion. As you can see, the winds are coming from the south, so that gives you an indication that things are going to be warm. We're dominated by this high pressure system here, and then as we put it into motion here, it's going to start to move off to the east. What we have here, we have a very powerful cold front that's going to be moving through here. And when it moves through here, about Monday and into late Monday, we're going to be looking at showers, and you're going to notice those winds are no longer coming from the south, they're coming from the north. And this line here that's very powerful is going to give us our fall-like feeling temperatures for the rest of the week. Now looking at that jet stream pattern, let me move out of the way here. You can see we're going to be below average because we're in that dome here. This is the trough here, and that's what's going to happen. We're going to have that cold air from Canada that's going to move down, and that's what's going to move those temperatures down to the 60s and low 70s. Now as we advance a little bit further here, we're going to be looking at this. We're going to be looking pretty much at the temperature trend, and you notice we're going to be way below normal. We should be in the 80s, we'll be in the 70s, and then by Friday, we're going to be struggling to get into the 70s. Now, rain chances this week will be on Monday, 70%, and then for the Mississippi River level, we're looking at 19.3 by Thursday, and then for the Yazoo, we're looking at 17.9, so it's going to be pretty much steady. Now, looking at your forecast, we have mostly clear skies. It'll be comfortable out, 64 degrees, and then for tomorrow, that's when we're going to be looking at fog to start, and then we'll have mostly sunny conditions, mainly sun mixed with clouds, 85 degrees. And then for your forecast, that's going to be shaping up like this. And again, my clicker is just acting up here. I'm looking at it right now. It's going to eventually move over. But folks, for Monday, it's going to be a washout. And then once we have the showers, that's when we'll start to have those cooler temperatures. And it's going to be a struggle to get into those 70s. Eventually, that's going to go over, but I think my clicker has officially died.
Karen, the time change, it went into the time change too early. It thinks it's off duty already.
It really did.
It said it's clocked too early.
And it's not going. It just officially died. There we go,
every
folks.
Time.
There we go.
It heard us talking about it every time.
Every time. But you can see it's 69 degrees by Friday. It's going to be chilly. You're going to need that heavier sweater, folks.
It's sweater
Definitely.
weather.
Yep, sweater weather.